Hi everyone, in this particular video we'll be discussing tuples operation inside Python. We have already seen what is tuple inside Python and how we can define a tuple. Now let's try to discuss this particular tuple operation inside Python. So guys, like your list, we can also perform operation on top of this particular tuple. The same operation we can also perform here, like the arithmetic operation, membership operation, and loop operations. So in arithmetic, actually we can perform something called, so let me first of all comment arithmetic operation. We can perform something called addition operation, that means plus operation, and we can perform something called multiplication operation. So these two operation we can perform, these two operator we can use. So let me give you some example. Let's say this is my tuple t1, 1 2 3 4, and there is another tuple called t2. Okay, now let's see if I perform t1 plus t2. So what will happen if I execute this particular program? You'll see that it will perform something called concatenation operation. See, 1 2 3 4, then 5 6 7 8. That means 5 6 7 8 would be added in this particular tuple. So this is called actually concatenation operation. Okay, concatenation operation. Now if I perform, let's say t1 multiply by, let's say 3, so what will happen? Oh sorry, it should be multiply by 3. See, it will do the repeat operation. That means 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, again 1 2 3 4, again 1 2 3 4, 3 times. If I give 4, it will repeat 4th time. Okay, but if you give, let's say t1 and multiply by t2, it won't be working. T1 multiply by t2, it won't be working. Okay, it can't support this particular operations. Okay, similar wise for the division also, it won't be working. So only we can perform these two operations called addition operation and multiplication operation, okay, with any integer number. Okay, that is the idea. Now let's see the membership operations. So let's say this is my let's say tuple. Now if I just perform t1, sorry, I can write like that, 1 in t1, it will give me true because it is present. And if I just write, let's say 1 not in, okay, t1, it will give me false because 1 is already there. That's how you can use this particular membership operations. Now the next operations, you can perform something called loop operation. That means you can apply a loop on top of this particular let's say tuple. That means loop is actually iterator. You can perform the iteration operation. Let's say this is my tuple and I can perform the loop here. So for I in t1, and if I print this particular one, sorry, if I print this particular I, you will see that all the value would be extracted, okay, one by one. It will do the iterate operation, first of all 1 2 3 and 4 and so on. Fine, that's how actually we can perform. These are the operations inside tuple. The same operation we can perform inside a list. Okay, yes. So yes guys, this is the idea. I hope you got it. What kinds of operation we can perform on top of this particular tuples. So in the next video we'll be discussing about like tuple functions, okay, or method. So with that guys, thank you so much guys for watching this particular video, and I'll see you next time.